National Weather Central Daylight Time has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Special Weather State County, Illinois. Weather Central Alexander County, Illinois. Thunderstorm until 2:45 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over mainly rural areas of Alexander County, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include mountains, Thames, Karnak, Olive Branch, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, Olin, Olmsted, New Grand Chain, and Pulaski. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 6 and 22. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander and Pulaski. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski. Miles an hour was 29.75 inches. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Massac County, Illinois, southern Johnson County, Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Karnak or 10 miles southwest of Vienna, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vienna, New Columbia, Cypress, Belknap, and Simpson. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 14 and 30. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson and Massac. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 3 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near La Center, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Ballard and northwestern McCracken counties. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and McCracken. Becoming Thursday. Movement with northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana, The Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grays Lake, Libertyville, and Lake Zurich. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 26. This includes Chain O Lakes State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, Moraine Hills State Park, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., gusty showers and thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near O'Hare Airport to near Midway Airport to 13 nautical miles southwest of Hammond Marina, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 45 knots. Source, automated measurements. A 40 knots wind gust was measured at Chicago O'Hare with the line of gusty showers and thunderstorms. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hammond Marina. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters to Mid-Lake from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Oak Creek to 9 nautical miles west of Waukegan Harbor, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Night. Lows around 60. Chance of rain. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Massac County, Illinois, East Central Ballard County, Kentucky, Central McCracken County, Kentucky, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over mainly rural areas of northern Ballard County, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Metropolis, Reedland, Brookport, West Paducah, Barkley Regional Airport, Kevel, and Joppa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 7. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 31 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Massac, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard and McCracken.